When Peter Mba said we don't really need a new coastal road in Nigeria, that what exactly Nigeria needs is to fix the roads we already have, the bad ones. Many people came for him. They dragged him, criticized him, and dismissed the argument. Well, fast forward to today. This festive season, from Kogi, Abuja Road to Bini Ore, Delta, Nigerians are literally spending days and nights on the road. Not hours, I mean days. People are sleeping inside buses, trekking long distances, stuck under the sun like they are in the desert. Just watch the video coming out from the Abuja Lokoja Federal Road. The suffering is just too much. Men, women, children, especially those traveling to the east. Stranded, frustrated, and helpless. At first, we thought it was only Lagos to the southeast traffic, but now everybody traveling in Nigeria is feeling it. Leadership is not rocket science. When infrastructure fails, the people suffer, plain and simple. Nigerians are beginning to ask serious questions. Questions are being directed at the Minister of Works, David Umahi. Some are throwing subtle shades, asking what is really happening. But then another video surfaced. The popular Enugu Onitsha Expressway, smooth, sleek, free-flowing. People driving with ease, traveling home comfortably for the festive season. As suddenly praises started coming in. That's the thing about leadership.
Onitsha Road, the second road, is under construction. Unlike other roads, I saw some roads in the north, in the northwest, where we have gridlock. Enugu Onitsha Expressway is free, vehicular movement, the road is smooth, and the second lane is under construction very soon. The government is going to complete it. So look at how smooth the road is. Movement is smooth too. Evidence of connecting to the center.
When you work, people will talk. When you don't work, people will also talk. So the real question is this: should Nigerians settle for suffering and excuses, or should good roads be the bare minimum, not a surprise? What do you think? Let us know in the comments.
Agree with me? It's really pathetic, the situation we find ourselves right away in Nigeria. This is Abuja to Lagos route. And as you can see, everywhere is choked up right away. It's almost 5 to 10 hours on the road, just at a stagnant point. Oh, what a country. It's really pathetic. Wherever you are viewing this video from, please, this is where we are. This is Abaji, precisely. The hold up started from Lokoja, and here we are. It's almost 5 Gegu to be precise. Yeah, Gegu to be precise. And down to Abaji, the situation remains the same. It's almost the same. There is no going forward, no backward. So this is where we find ourselves. President Tinubu, Ahmed Bola, we are calling on you to arrest the situation. You call on the contractors to hasten up the work that is ongoing. We appreciate what you are doing here, and you need to do more. Please, please, please. It's so pathetic. And we are heading to the capital city of Nigeria, Abuja, FCT, precisely. It's so pathetic.